Hi, Jeff White from White's. We've got a Renault Master. It's just come out of the fleet. It's been working right up till now. It's got a 3-seater, it's automatic, turbo diesel. It's a 2013 model with about 230,000 kilometres. And it has a customised fuel tank underneath. And it's got the 870, a lot of shelving. Got shelving here, across there, and overhead racking. Being an 870, that's the big, massive recovery tank. And around the back here, we've got the 870 with 1800 hours, overhead racking. Your fuel gauge is here. And I think it had a brand new transmission just recently, I can confirm that. But yeah, so that's just come into us right now. But that sort of vehicle will tackle any sort of work. It's got a new set of tyres here too, which is sort of a heavy duty type of tyre. All right, thank you.